asị na oke mkpi na Asaba na obinyelu Favour ya na ya bụ 50,000 Favour na-agwa ya na ya nye ya bụ ka o wee jee ụlọ ọgwụ na sinsi ahụ oke mkpi na Asaba ji wee tiwu ya nwa bebi virgin ya n'ike na Favour na ahụ afọghị ya na ọ na-akọzikwa ọkọ ọbabangida na ọ na-eche nji ọbante ugboro ịnọ ede na ebe ahụ na-ehutiti ma mmiri ma abụ ma mmemme na ahụ afọghị nwa mmadụ na ọnya ka o ji agbara oke mkpi na Asaba ụgwọ ka onye 50,000 ka o wee jee ụlọ ọgwụ dịka ndị uwe ojii sikwa wee depụta ife afụrụ na foonu oke mkpi na Asaba no meseji ahụ unu na-afụ ede 50,000 bụ ego Favour kwesịrị iji wee jee ụlọ ọgwụ oke mkpi na Asaba sọsọ voice ka ọ na-eti ndị uwe ojii wee na-akọwa nyanwa aha ede na ife ọ na-etinye na voice ahụ bụ na ọ na-eyi Favour egwu na-amaja Favour na onye enyi ego na onweghị ife ọ ya eme na Chineke nyere ya ọhụ n'efu ka onye fa n'efu ka farie nke bụ na ndị mmadụ na-asịzi ọkwa ọ bụrụ na Favour buo ya kịta anụnwa na ọ bụ okweso na mmekọ nwoke na nwaanyị ka esi ebute ọya na-ebutekwa ebe a na-eme mposi oke mkpi na Asaba na anụ nwaanyị ji ụmụ o jeziela maka na Favour gwara ya na ọ bụ nwa bebi virgin o yighị okpu nnaba enyi bulu amụ ya fọwa intu ahụ buruzie nke o bu bunyekwuo Favour nwa nọrụkwana ya onye hi ego ka ọ jee ụlọ ọgwụ nọrụ na ya na-eyi Favour egwu na onweghị ife ọ ya eme na ọkpọ ndị uwe ojii na onweghị ife ya eme n'ọla gị ya bụ n'ọla gị ya na onye akpara ya pụọ n'ụzọ ka akpọọ onye ọzọ Favour wee jee ṅụọ tụtatịa wee nwụọ unu ya bịa ka unu nụrụ ndụmọdụ Jpac nyelu ma nke nwaanyị gburu onwe ya ma onye nke je dawari nke nwaanyị n'ike fana abụ ka a na-akọwa na fa merụ misteki na nke nwaanyị ekwesịghị igbu onwe ya kịta anụnwa bụ nne na nna ya na-ebezi anya m onye nwụrụ anwụ amazikwana nke a na-akọ onye nke bụ oke mkpi na Asaba nwunye ya na-anụzi ụdị ya o tegwe nwunye ya ule tee ezinụlọ ya ule nwoke na-anụ nwaanyị ị na-ezuzugharị ya etinye utu n'ọbọ ịhapụ utu na-akọntrolu nwaanyị chọrọ ịla o kwetaghọ ị narị anya n'ike nọrụkwana ya ime ihe ife obi ya adị ya mma ụpọnịma n'oge bụ onye izizi dawara ya bụ nwata nwaanyị afọ ma ebe ụfọdụ ụmụ nwoke na-asị na Favour abụọzi nwa bebi virgin na ọ na-agba egwu jee na klọbụ soro ndị ọzọ na-emegharị ahụ omenuho na ọ bụghị nwa bebi virgin ọ sị na o nwere oyi nwoke mana ọ chọbeghị inye oyi ya nwoke na ọ mahụ na oyi ya nwoke na ọdụ serious na ya bụ relationship.
Remember to watch this video to the end. It's not when you watch the part blame the girl get caught through the video piam. They conclude that Jpac they crucified the girl without judging the case, centralizing the case. No. Remember what I said. Both of them are wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, if I'm to be the judge, the lawyer, or the judge handling the case of this girl way by herself because of a man, if I'm to be the judge, this is what I am going to present as my case. It's going to pass the judgment. One more, one mother. My one mother, again, one more. Number one, why will you journey to Asaba to see a stranger you met online? I am judging this case based on the video because I watched the video of that girl whereby herself. I watched that video from beginning to the ending. Why will you journey to Asaba to see a stranger you met online? Remember, that person is not your father, it's not your mother. No, whatsoever, the person did not relate it to you in any angle. Number two, he took you to an hotel, booked a room, and yet you didn't smell the danger that no. Are you going to the hotel room to sing gospel hymns and song? Are you going to the hotel room and say, Virgin, who you are? To sing Psalm 21 and Psalm 23 and Psalm 121. Number three question. The fact that you are chatting with him was on, that is 20, you put your phone on disappearing message. Can relationship happen? Why did you put your phone on a disappearing message? One phone on a disappearing message that they fear that person. Why will a woman put her phone on disappearing message if not that you are uncovering one or two things? I'm not a judge you. May your soul rest in peace. If I'm to be a judge, that somebody by does not mean say if I see truth, I will not say the truth the way it is. Truth must be told. Number four question. You needed someone to talk to, and you couldn't talk to your father You couldn't talk to your mother. You couldn't talk to your sister. You couldn't talk to anybody around you. You don't see anybody to talk to. You couldn't talk to your reverend father or your reverend sister. You couldn't talk to your pastor. You couldn't talk to whosoever be close to you. And the only person you could talk to, seek for help or seek for advice, is a stranger. Somebody is not your father, mother. Somebody who does not relate anything to you. What was related to you? Advisor. You want to listen to advice. You go to TikTok, online, Instagram, and be looking for somebody to advise you. Somebody who doesn't know your family, who doesn't know your father, somebody who doesn't know your whereabouts. You went and be looking for somebody that will advise you online. That is number 4. Number 5 question: how did you know he was a popular person? Probably you might be following this person, and the intention of you going to see him bụ ego. Nwaanyị akọgo nke ọkọrọ were ihe gbuo onwe. Who else? Onye ga-ajụ ihe ọ bụla ọkọrọ today bụ gịnị? Eziokwu, because onye nwụrụ anwụ anwụọla. That's number 4. Then number 5. Okay, that's number 5. Number 6, you followed a stranger you met 2 weeks ago into a hotel to do what? That is what I've been saying. To sing gospel hymns and song. Holy, 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 merciful, almighty, God in 3 person, blessed Trinity. To sing what? To do what? You say the guy have get a boutique in a hotel. Why not stay in that person's boutique to discuss whatever? Whosoever that will help you will help you. I'm still coming to that boy because that boy is I'm still coming to the boy matter because that boy is this case now. I'm judging this girl in as much as the girl don't buy, but I'm still judging her. Then I will still, mad this boy because the boy is an idiot. That's number 7. Now, I'm not in support of being a man. If you invite a woman for a date, or that's no a woman must submit herself to a man before help. Where does it mean that somebody cannot help somebody genuinely? Or if I can, when you see a Koromoto man, you will know just like this guy is a Koromoto man. So, madam, just like I know about this says or more. So, people like us, based on more, but I'm with the 50,000 naira. That's your money. Without anything, a woman must not open her 2 legs for a man to knock before help. Where poverty rate in Nigeria is so high, when you are in a position to help a lady without collecting opwe, do it. The same way you dash your fellow man money, in the same way you can see dash a woman body without having anything in mind. God will bless you so tremendously that you help a lady you don't know, a lady who is in need. Even if the girl presented the problem to you to be true, probably the thing is not true. For your mind, you are doing it for God. You are not doing it to collect or pray. You are doing it because the way the girl presented herself, the problem to you, that she needed a help. Don't need the help. Probably, a help of school fees or a help of one thing or the other. Only God could know the help the girl wants. If you are in the position, you must not invite this girl all the way from Ebom. You transported everything, was able to at last or fake a lot. He didn't even give her the money. Still, peanut money 8,000 naira, which means in Hebrew, Koromoto, you have been doing this to all the ladies you come across. But this one called show you. I know they support the girl, and at the same time, I know they support the who cannot help somebody without collecting opwe. That lady, that girl can comfortably give you opwe if you have helped her willingly. There's a way you will bring a girl closer to you. Show her that you love her. Show her caring. Caress her. Show her love. There's a way she'll go carry the opwe like that, like a gala. Opwe na tam. Adam na my this hit period. Actually, karam. A girl will bring the opwe for you. Wholeheartedly, gata opwe. Li opwe, li just see opwe. Siri opwe n'imi. If truly is what you want, more true, that you cannot help a lady without collecting opue. What is opue? What is opue? What is opue? Give me an order. Give me an order. Remember to watch this video to the end. It's not when you watch the part, blame the girl, get caught through the video, piam. They conclude that Jpac, they crucify the girl without judging the case, centralizing the case. No. Remember what I said. Both of them are wrong.